For centuries, ancient healers trusted this golden spice for its incredible ability to keep blood flowing freely and naturally. But today, modern science finally confirms what they already knew. This spice doesn't just flavor your food. It supports your arteries, your circulation, and even your heart health in ways that feel almost magical. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover how this ancient spice could make a life-changing difference in your daily health and energy. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you care about natural remedies, heart health, and unlocking the power of traditional nutrition, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful spices on earth, a spice that has been celebrated for thousands of years for supporting healthy blood flow and keeping your arteries flexible and strong. For thousands of years, turmeric has been more than just a kitchen spice. It's been a golden remedy treasured in ancient Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. The vibrant yellow root, often called the golden healer, was used to treat a wide range of ailments, from joint pain to digestive issues. But one of its most remarkable benefits lies in how it supports healthy blood flow. Modern research has revealed that turmeric's main compound, curcumin, plays a major role in promoting better circulation by reducing inflammation and improving the flexibility of blood vessels. When your arteries stay relaxed and open, blood can move freely throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients exactly where they're needed. What makes turmeric truly special is its ability to naturally support the lining of your arteries, known as the endothelium. A strong, healthy endothelium prevents plaque buildup and allows blood to flow easily, reducing the risk of clots or high blood pressure. This is why turmeric isn't just an ancient spice, it's nature's circulatory guardian. Whether you're adding it to your meals, drinking it as golden milk, or taking it as a supplement, turmeric brings centuries of wisdom and modern science together in one simple, powerful ingredient. Turmeric supports your body's natural ability to keep blood flowing smoothly, and it does this in several fascinating ways. The magic lies in its active compound, curcumin, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When inflammation builds up inside your arteries, it can make the blood vessels narrow and stiff, which slows down circulation and increases pressure on the heart. Curcumin helps calm this inflammation, allowing the vessels to relax and expand, so blood can move more freely throughout your system. Another key way turmeric improves circulation is by enhancing nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a molecule your body uses to signal the blood vessels to widen. The more nitric oxide your body produces, the better your blood flow becomes. Curcumin boosts this process, helping your arteries stay open, flexible, and strong. It's like giving your cardiovascular system a gentle tune-up every day. Turmeric also helps fight oxidative stress, one of the main causes of premature aging in blood vessels. By neutralizing free radicals, curcumin protects the delicate lining of your arteries from damage. This not only improves blood flow, but also supports overall heart health, brain function, and even energy levels. So, when you add turmeric to your diet, you're not just seasoning your food. You're strengthening your body's most vital lifeline, your circulation. It's a simple, natural way to keep your blood moving as it should, smoothly and efficiently. Modern science has finally caught up with what ancient healers knew for centuries. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a healthy powerhouse. Dozens of studies have confirmed that the curcumin found in turmeric helps protect your cardiovascular system in multiple ways. One of the most important discoveries is how curcumin improves the function of the endothelium, the thin layer of cells that line your blood vessels. When this lining works properly, it helps control blood pressure, clotting, and overall circulation. But when it becomes damaged or inflamed, your risk of heart problems increases dramatically. Curcumin helps repair and protect this vital layer, keeping your arteries strong and flexible. Research published in medical journals like Nutrition, Research and Atherosclerosis has shown that daily turmeric or curcumin supplementation can significantly improve endothelial function, even in people with existing heart concerns. Scientists have also discovered that curcumin lowers oxidative stress, a major factor behind artery damage and plaque buildup. By reducing oxidative damage, turmeric helps prevent hardening of the arteries, known as atherosclerosis. Another exciting finding is turmeric's impact on cholesterol balance. It helps raise HDL, the good cholesterol that clears fat from your arteries, while lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol that contributes to blockages. Together, these effects make turmeric a natural ally for maintaining a strong, healthy heart. So, behind its golden color lies real, measurable science, proving that this ancient spice truly supports your heart's most vital functions. One of the most dangerous threats to healthy blood flow is the formation of blood clots. These tiny blockages can interrupt circulation, raise blood pressure, and in severe cases, lead to heart attacks or strokes. But here's where turmeric once again proves its incredible value. Studies show that turmeric's active compound, curcumin, naturally supports healthy platelet function, meaning it helps prevent platelets from clumping together too easily. When platelets become too sticky, they can form clots inside the arteries. Turmeric gently reduces this stickiness, allowing blood to flow freely without unwanted blockages. Unlike synthetic blood thinners, which can have side effects, turmeric offers a natural, balanced approach. It doesn't thin the blood in a dangerous way. Instead, it promotes the body's own ability to regulate clot formation safely. This is why traditional healers often use turmeric for wounds and circulation-related issues. Its natural compounds not only support blood health, but also reduce inflammation and swelling in blood vessels. Additionally, turmeric helps lower levels of fibrinogen, a protein responsible for forming clots. When fibrinogen levels are too high, your risk of clotting increases. Curcumin helps bring these levels back to normal, supporting smooth blood movement through even the smallest capillaries. By adding turmeric to your daily routine, whether through food, tea, or supplements, you're helping your body maintain clean, open pathways for blood to travel. It's a simple, ancient method of protecting yourself against one of the modern world's most serious cardiovascular risks. To unlock the full power of turmeric for healthy blood flow, it's important to know how to use it correctly. Simply sprinkling a little powder on your food can help, but there are smarter ways to get the most from this golden spice. The key lies in increasing the body's ability to absorb curcumin, turmeric's active compound. Curcumin is fat, soluble, which means it dissolves best in healthy oils. That's why combining turmeric with ingredients like olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado can boost its effectiveness. Another proven way to improve absorption is by adding black pepper. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, increases curcumin absorption by up to 0.0%. That's why you'll often see turmeric and pepper together in traditional recipes, ancient wisdom that modern science has confirmed. You can also take turmeric as a daily supplement. Look for formulas labeled as curcumin with piperine or bioavailable turmeric extract. These are specifically designed to ensure your body can use as much of the nutrient as possible. For those who prefer natural options, a warm drink known as golden milk is an easy and delicious choice. Mix turmeric powder with warm milk, a dash of black pepper, and a bit of honey. Drink it before bed or in the morning to support circulation and reduce inflammation naturally. Consistency is key. A little turmeric every day can go a long way in maintaining smooth, healthy blood flow and overall heart vitality. While turmeric is best known for improving blood circulation, its health benefits reach far beyond your arteries and veins. This ancient spice supports nearly every major system in the body, making it one of the most versatile natural remedies ever discovered. First, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many serious health issues, from joint pain and arthritis to diabetes and even cognitive decline. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, helps calm the body's inflammatory response, easing stiffness, swelling, and discomfort. People who use turmeric regularly often report more flexibility, fewer aches, and a greater sense of well-being. Turmeric is also a potent antioxidant, which means it helps your body fight off free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and speed up aging. By neutralizing these harmful compounds, turmeric protects vital organs like the heart, liver, and brain from long-term damage. In addition, turmeric supports digestion by stimulating bile production, which helps the body break down fats and absorb nutrients more effectively. It's also been shown to support liver detoxification, helping the body flush out toxins naturally. Another major benefit lies in turmeric's potential to boost brain health. Studies suggest curcumin may increase levels of BDNF, a protein that supports new brain cell growth and memory function. So, while you're using turmeric to support blood flow, you're also giving your entire body a daily dose of rejuvenation and long-term protection from your joints to your brain. When it comes to getting the most out of turmeric, timing and consistency make all the difference. The goal is to help your body absorb curcumin efficiently and use it to support healthy blood circulation all day long. The best time to take turmeric depends on your lifestyle, but experts recommend taking it with meals, especially those that include healthy fats like olive oil, eggs, or avocado. Because curcumin is fat-soluble, eating it with fats helps your body absorb it much more effectively than on an empty stomach. If you're using turmeric supplements, morning or early afternoon is ideal. This gives your body time to process and circulate the nutrients throughout the day. For people using golden milk or turmeric tea, drinking it before bedtime can be equally powerful. It supports overnight recovery, reduces inflammation, and promotes smooth circulation while you sleep. Another great approach is dividing your intake half in the morning and half at night to maintain consistent levels of curcumin in your system. Always pair it with black pepper or look for supplements that include piperine, which enhances absorption. Hydration also plays a role. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as it helps flush toxins and keeps blood flowing freely. When used regularly at the right time and in the right form, turmeric becomes more than a supplement. It becomes a daily wellness habit that helps your heart, arteries, and entire body perform at their best. Even though turmeric is a powerful and natural spice, many people don't see real results because they make a few simple but costly mistakes. Understanding these errors can make all the difference between just using turmeric and actually feeling its benefits. The first big mistake is not combining turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats. Curcumin, the active ingredient, isn't easily absorbed by the body on its own. Without piperine from black pepper or fats like olive oil or coconut oil, you might only absorb a fraction of its goodness. So, every time you take turmeric, make sure you pair it right. Another mistake is using too little. A small pinch in your food adds flavor, but for real circulatory benefits, you need enough curcumin to make a difference. That's why many people use turmeric supplements. They provide a consistent, effective dose backed by research. Some people also stop too soon, expecting quick results. Turmeric works best when taken consistently over time. Its effects build gradually, strengthening your blood vessels and improving circulation with daily use. A lesser-known mistake is heating turmeric too much. High heat can destroy some of its active compounds. If you're cooking with it, add it toward the end rather than at the beginning. Lastly, avoid low-quality turmeric powders. Always choose organic, bright golden turmeric, free from additives or artificial colors. Quality matters, and pure turmeric makes all the difference for your heart, circulation, and overall vitality. When you start using turmeric consistently, the changes can be subtle at first, but over time, your body begins to show clear signs that this golden spice is doing its job. One of the earliest effects people notice is better energy and focus. That's because when your circulation improves, your brain and muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, helping you feel sharper and more active throughout the day. Another major sign is a feeling of lightness and reduced stiffness in the body. Since curcumin reduces inflammation and improves blood flow, you may notice less joint pain, fewer body aches, and quicker recovery after physical activity. This happens because oxygen-rich blood can now reach your muscles and tissues more efficiently. A healthy glow in your skin is another indicator. Better circulation delivers more nutrients to your skin cells, while turmeric's antioxidant power helps remove toxins, resulting in clearer, brighter skin over time. Some people also report more stable blood pressure and cholesterol levels after consistent use. This is because turmeric helps relax blood vessels and support the body's natural cholesterol balance. You might also notice improved digestion and fewer bloating issues. Turmeric supports bile production, which helps your digestive system break down fats more effectively. The key thing to remember is consistency. These signs don't appear overnight, but within a few weeks of daily use, many users begin to feel lighter, more energetic, and internally balanced, a reflection of turmeric's powerful healing touch. Now that you know how powerful turmeric can be for your blood flow, heart health, and overall wellness, the next step is making it a consistent part of your daily life. The great thing is, it's easy and flexible. You can use turmeric in many delicious and convenient ways that fit your routine and taste. Start simple. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder to your morning smoothie, scrambled eggs, or oatmeal. Combine it with a pinch of black pepper and a drizzle of olive or coconut oil to boost absorption. If you prefer drinking it, make a soothing golden milk. Mix turmeric with warm milk, dairy or plant-based, black pepper, and a little honey before bed. This not only supports blood flow, but also promotes relaxation and deeper sleep. For busy people, turmeric capsules or curcumin supplements are a great option. Choose one that contains piperine or black pepper extract for maximum effectiveness. Take it with a meal containing healthy fats to ensure your body absorbs it properly. You can even sprinkle turmeric into soups, curries, or roasted vegetables. Small amounts every day make a big difference over time. The secret isn't in taking a huge dose once in a while, but in making turmeric part of your lifestyle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who cares about natural heart health. Stay tuned for more powerful wellness tips. And remember, nature always has the best answers.